I am going to do a look with Sophie's palette from Makeup Revolution, and I think I'm going to go for a yellowish, yellow orangey look or something. I'm not sure yet. So I have on my foundation, I have powdered my face. I will show you what I used. Let me see, where is it? I used a combination of primers today. I used the Baby Skin from Maybelline on my T-zone, and then for the rest I used the High Spreadability fluid primer from The Ordinary. I'm testing those out. And I used the Ordinary's Serum Foundation in the color 2.0N. And for concealer I used Maybelline Age Rewind in Light. For powder I used the Catrice Nude Illusion, it's the loose powder. For blush, the Essence Adventure Await in Wonderlust Feeling. And for bronzer I used the Big Bold bronzer from NYC in the color 601 Manhattan. Okay. I also sprayed my face a little bit with the MAC Fix Plus spray. And yeah, here we go. So I am taking my Primark 220 big fluffy blending brush, and I am going to go into the color Vitamin C. And I'm going to put that all over my upper lid, and we're going to see if we can deepen up the color a little bit. So here we go. Same on the other eye. And you know, if you use a fluffy brush, you are going to shear out the color. So if you really want the intensity, you have to use a smaller brush. And am I going to do that? Let me think. No, but I am going to build up this side a little bit more. So that is the yellow. So what I want to do now is I want to deepen up the crease a bit, and I am going to use, I think, the color Sweet and Sour. That's this one. And I have a smaller fluffy brush. This is the 2-3, I forgot to put in my lenses. 231 from Bailey, and it's just a smaller fluffy brush. And I am going to deepen up the crease, and I'm going to place the shadow just a little bit higher, so when I look directly in front I can see the color a bit, but you will see where I place it in a minute. And I am tapping the color on first so that I get it where I want it. And now when I look in front, I don't know if you can see it, but I have a little bit of orange that comes above my crease, and that is what I want. And now I'm just going to blend out and in. I'm going to blend in actually. This is it so far, and I will blend a bit more in a minute, but I'm going to do the same on the other eye first. Okay, we are taking the first brush again, and with no extra product I am just going to blend the orange into the yellow a little bit more. And as you can see, I'm holding the brush at the tip so that I put the least amount of pressure on my brush and I get a nice soft blend, because that is what I want. This is how it looks now. So the most orange is on the outside of the eye, and why do I do that? Because I like this shape of eyeshadow. It's just my preference, and if you want to concentrate the color more to the center, you can just do what you want, you know, have fun, it's just makeup. If you don't like it, you can wash it off. That's the nice thing about it. So next color I am going to use is okay, what I am going to do, I'm not really sure what I want to do yet, but I think I'm going to go into LA Sun, that's the yellow shimmer first, and I am going to take, what is it? I'm going to take a flat brush. This is the Bailey 234, and it is a flat brush, but it's still a bit fluffy. And I am going to go into the color LA Sun. As I said, it's a yellow shimmer. It's really pretty. That's the color. It's not really a gold, it's more yellow. So it's more yellow gold. But I really like the color, and I haven't played with it yet, so we're going to do it now. And I am just going to pack the color on first. And I learned a trick today, so that is what I'm going to try. And what I learned is, well, I'm trying it for the first time, but you first pack on the shadow on your brush, and then you are going to spray it. And we will see how that works if we have more payoff of the eyeshadow. So. And I'm going to pat this one on my mobile lid. Well, that's a pretty color. I'm going to build it up a little bit more. Ooh, I like that. Other eye. Wow. Okay. What I am going to do now, because I actually really like this look, is I'm taking the last Bailey brush that I used the orange with, and I am going to deepen up the outside of my eye a little bit, and probably sweep a little bit more across the crease to blend the colors in nicely. I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. So we are using the color Sweet and Sour again. I always forget I have a palette here with a mirror. I can see better here than there. Now, with the first blending brush, I'm going to blend the upper part of the orange just a little. Okay, now I'm going to place a little bit of yellow back over here because I just want the yellow to pop. Same brush I used before. What I'm going to do now is take a pencil brush, just any pencil brush. I need a clean one. And I'm just going to deepen up the orange here a little bit. And then I'm going to do the lower lash line as well. That is it so far. I just put the orange on my bottom lash line as well. Okay, what I'm going to use now is the same pencil brush with a little bit of LA Sun. That's the yellow shimmer. And I'm going to run that on the bottom as well. So what I'm going to do now is, it didn't really work what I was going for, so I'm going to spray my brush. Then I'm going to go into LA Sun again. So the look is actually almost complete. I just have to place my highlighter, and I am going to go in with a clean brush. This is by Leico. It is his number 26. I'm going to go into the color Everyday, and I am going to highlight my brow bone and use it in my inner corner. This is the finished look so far. I am going to add some liner and false lashes, and then lipstick, and then I will be back shortly to show you the finished look. So guys, here is the finished look, including lashes and lipstick. For lashes I used the Girls with Attitude Swept Away that I got at that I got at Primark. And they are still going strong, as you can see. For lipstick, I used also from Sophie's collection the color Syrup. And I really like it, and I really liked how this look came out. So I will come closer a little so you can see. So yeah, this is look number 1. Done specifically with Sophie's palette in collaboration with Makeup Revolution. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you'll be notified when I upload the next look, which will be coming very soon. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. And then I will hopefully catch you in my next one. Bye guys!